In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a chat meeting in Microsoft Teams. This is a quick and simple task, but it's really useful when you want to turn an ongoing conversation into a meeting right away. Instead of scheduling something for later, Microsoft Teams lets you instantly launch a meeting directly from a chat or conversation, which is perfect for fast collaboration, urgent questions, or moments when typing back and forth is taking too long. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat or conversation where you want to start the meeting. This could be a one-on-one chat with a coworker or a group conversation where several people are already discussing something together. The main idea is to start from the existing conversation, so everyone involved is already in the right context. Take a moment to make sure you've opened the correct chat. This helps avoid accidentally starting a meeting in the wrong conversation, especially if you have several chats that look similar. If you're in a busy workspace, checking this first can save time and confusion. Once you're inside the chat or conversation, look toward the top area of the window. You should see the Meet Now option there. This is the button that allows you to instantly begin a meeting without going through the full scheduling process. Go ahead and click Meet Now. When you do, Microsoft Teams will begin setting up the meeting for that conversation. From there, you may see a preview screen depending on your version of Teams, where you can quickly confirm your audio and camera settings before entering. If that appears, it's a good idea to pause for a second and make sure your microphone and camera are set the way you want. After that, the meeting starts and the people in that chat can be brought into the live call. This is one of the fastest ways to move from messaging to real-time discussion, and it can make teamwork much more efficient when something needs immediate attention. A helpful tip is to use this feature when a conversation becomes too detailed or when decisions need to be made quickly. It keeps the flow of work moving without forcing everyone to switch tools or create a brand new meeting from scratch. And that's all there is to it. Open the chat or conversation in Microsoft Teams, click Meet Now at the top, and you're ready to start your chat meeting instantly.